Did you guys get to see the video where we unboxed these amazing toys? They're brand new Paw Patrol flip and fly toys. And we unboxed Chase, Rubble, and Sky. And they transform into a jet. Well, I hope you got to see that video because right now we're gonna unbox Marshall. This is the Flip and Fly Marshall. And you can see here how he transforms into a jet. And you can see the things that he shoots out. Wow, this is so cool. Let's turn it around and look at the back. You can see how he transforms from a fire truck to a jet. And I cannot wait to get this guy out of the box. Woohoo! We're gonna do some rescues. Now here is the Flip and Fly Sky. And she is so cool. Watch this. 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! I'm a jet and I can shoot out my discs. They go right in here like this. And oh, we got Chase. It landed right there. Great aim, Sky. This is so much fun, you guys. Okay, let's do Rubble. Ooh, we got Rubble too. Sky's vehicle is super awesome. But she's ready to turn back into a helicopter. And there we are. This is so much fun. Woohoo! Then we have Chase's vehicle. You want to see it transform? I bet you do. Let's see. Let's go like this. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! His is my favorite. Look at these cool colors. He's got some discs. And he's gonna get Sky back. 1, 2, 3. Oh, he missed. Try again. Woohoo! We made her propeller spin. And you can even do the tennis balls right here. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Very nice, Chase. And the little figures come out. And they have a place that you can hook them like this. And you can rescue. We've rescued Chase. And let's check Rubble out. And then we're going to unbox Marshall. Woohoo! And here we go. Here is Rubble. Rubble on the double. Are you ready to transform? We need you for the air rescue. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Goes like this, and then like this. Whoa! Woohoo! Whoa, these are so cool. And we need to shoot off one of your things. Here we go. Just like this. And boing! And one more. Boing! This is so cool. Transform back into a bulldozer. There we go. Now you guys, I know you've been waiting, so let's get Marshall out of the box. Here's Marshall. And let's get his little figurine out. There we go. And it's got the hook on the edge so that you can hook him and rescue him. Just like this. Don't worry, Marshall. We've got you. And we even have his discs here. And they kind of look like water. And they're coming out of his water cannon. Here's these 3. And the discs. Very cool. Now we got to get this vehicle out. Oh no, you guys! Chase is stuck in the slime. It's orange, gooey slime. He's got it all over him. Oh no! We need Marshall to help us rescue him. Don't worry, Chase. We'll get Marshall right away. Vroom, vroom. Here's Marshall's cool new vehicle, and he's gonna use it to rescue Chase. Don't worry, Chase. Marshall is on his way. Vroom, vroom. Load up in your truck. And you can see here how this moves back, and it keeps Marshall in his vehicle even when it's transforming. Are you ready to transform? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Marshall! That's amazing! I love it! He's a fire truck. Now he's a jet. Fire truck. Jet. Woohoo! Don't worry, Chase. We're almost ready to rescue you. We've got to load up our discs. Here we go. There's one. And we're going to put another disc over here. Like that. And one of our water bullets right there. All right, we're going to try and loosen up that slime. Here we go. Oh, we got it. Do it again. And the last one. 1, 2, 3. Very nice. All right, we're coming in, Chase. We're gonna hook you and pull you out of there. Here we go. We're coming. Oh, that slime is so thick. We're gonna get you out of there, Chase. Ah! It's so stretchy. Oh, we got him loose. Thanks, Marshall. Now sit him on the ground. And it's time to land. There we go. We saved Chase. Woohoo! That's some slimy slime. Oh no, Rubble's stuck in the slime. We've got to rescue him. Marshall, transform. We're a jet and we're ready to rescue. Here I come, Rubble. We've got you, buddy. There you go. Watch this. We've got 2 jets. Transform now. Oh, that was cool. Let's do Chase and Sky. Here's Chase. And here's Sky. On your mark. Get set. Transform. Woohoo! That is some cool transforming. We're gonna load up some discs. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Now it's Sky's turn. And she's got a disc. She's gonna borrow Rubble's. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Nice aim. And Rubble on the double. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Oh, yours went the furthest, Rubble. You've got great aim. These toys are really cool. Woohoo! And I really enjoyed sharing them with you. Wow! If you have any questions, place them in the comments. Beep, beep. And subscribe to my channel for lots more toys. Marshall, transform! Thanks, guys.